Good morning, sir. This is Suman, JLNET, Devarkadra, Mahbub Nagar district. We will discuss about topic microwave oven. What is microwave oven? We know that what is microwave oven. It's a ultra modern cooking appliance. Is that clear? Microwave oven is ultra modern cooking appliance. How it works? What is the principle of microwave oven works? It works on the principle induction heating. It works on the principle induction heating. The induction heating will depends on microwave oven. It consists of a special device called magnetron. Magnetron. It consists of special device. Microwave oven is special device. Microwave oven is special device is called magnetron. Magnetron. Okay. Microwave thought food and cases the molecule of the food to move rapidly. The rapid movement of this molecule create functions and resulting heat cooks without changing either form or color or food. This is a micro oven. This is a micro oven. Parts of micro oven. We know that parts of micro oven. What is the parts? It's grill, light, display. It's right surface display and open door, push button. Open door and push button. It's the control of the micro oven. Display is my control of the operation of control device is display. And other parts, what is other parts? And doors, rolling ring, coupler and exciter holes, like that. He is the parts of micro oven. Micro oven is power consumed is 1500 watts. Micro oven power consumed 1500 watts. 1500 watts. The cooking process can be thought glass fixed in the door. The turntable automatically stops its rotation after elapse of set time. Rotates after elapse of set time. The maximum power consumed is 1500 watts. In the market, very rare available along with grill. The combined mode of cooking. Okay, like microwave and grill. Will reduce the time of cooking. Microwave at frequency of 2040 450 megahertz. 2450 megahertz. It's consumed 2450 megahertz waveset frequency. It is a waveset frequency which produce very high frequency which produce very high frequency electromagnetic wave is called microwave. Is that clear? Which produce a very high frequency electromagnetic wave. It's called microwaves. Is special device magnetron. It's called microwave oven. What is the precautions of the using micro oven? Micro oven do not use metallic cook where like stainless steel, aluminium, copper, silver, extra, like that, and glasses, ceramic, porcelain, plastic, paper and remedied. Okay, do not operate the microwave oven when it is empty. Do not operate. Microwave is in empty. Do not operate. Okay, do not operate the micro oven. Earthing must be compulsory of microwave oven. Earth must be compulsory of the microwave oven. Unlike other appliances, extra precautions and other precautions of unlike other appliances, the microwave oven is high voltage. Like 4000 volts, high current equipment. Hence, care must be taken. Care must be taken. And troubleshooting of the micro oven. Here will be shown troubleshooting of micro oven. What is faults and cases remedy? How will get the faults, and how will solve the problem, and what is remedy of fault problem. Whenever problem is there, how it is remedy. For example, oven does not start after setting the program. What is the case? Which case of the doing fault? Defective switches mechanism. Defective switching mechanism. And correct it. Remedies, correct it. Microwave oven does not work. Microwave oven does not work. Which cases is does not work? Door was not completely closed, or fuse blow due to overload. In that case, microwave oven does not work. What is remedy of this problem? Close the door properly and avoiding use the other electrical appliances while using the microwave oven. And suppose if case the food is not cooked, what is cases, which cases of this problem will get? Timer is not set, door is not closed, or oven loaded electric circuit. Set the time. And what is the remedy of this problem? So, set the timer, close the door, avoid overload. In this type of cases, we will get, and thus that type of cases, and remedy is there. Like many fault is there. Some fault is there and look like, and output power is low. The oven cases interference with radio or TV, and food is area overcooked, undercooked. No input can be programmed. Is that in the fault is microwave oven. Okay, and remedies here will be there, shown will be there, and which cases are will get the faults. Okay, thank you all.